For the trading period ending October 22, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Carreras Limited with 3,311,138 units, representing 16.06% of market sales volume. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 3,001,321 units, representing 14.56% of total market assets. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,483,069 units, representing 12.04% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 22, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $67.76 million purchased and US $54.61 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.82 per dollar, selling the US at $161.29 and buying the US at $159.47. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.54 per transaction, with selling at $114.25 and buying at $112.71. The British pound yielded Forex traders 81 cents in profits, with selling at $214.92 and buying at $214.11. For our credit report tip of the day, it's time to take back control and rebuild your credit with purpose and fire. Don't wait for perfect timing. Start now. Pull your credit reports and face them with confidence. Fix every error, pay down those high balances, and put your payments on autopilot. Every step you take today strengthens your foundation, because you're not just rebuilding credit, you're building the financial power to fund your dream from the ground up. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. See you soon.